Hello, everybody. This time, I would like to give information on the requirements of the applicant for PCO accreditation to EMB Regional Office in compliance with Section 8 of DAO 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for PCO accreditation. What are the requirements per Section 8 of DAO 2014-02 for the purpose of PCO accreditation application? Based on Section 8 of this department order for the PCO accreditation, the requirements are the letter of appointment or designation as PCO of the establishment, curriculum vitae with ID picture of the appointed or designated PCO, the notarized affidavit of joint undertaking of the PCO and the managing head, the proof of the appointee's qualifications, such as certificate of training of basic PCO training, and for category B establishment, the applicant shall submit the valid professional regulation commission. Now, based on Section 8, the managing head of the establishment, LGU, and other government institution shall apply for the accreditation of the PCO to the concerned EMB regional office within 15 days from the date of appointment or designation. Sa pco.emb.gov.ph kung saan nag-a-apply ng PCO accreditation application. So, dito tayo sa pco.emb.gov.ph. Dito tayo nag-a-apply ng accreditation bilang Pollution Control Officer as prescribed in Section 3 of this department order. Sinasabi dito na dapat merong accreditation, merong accredited na pollution control officer sa anumang establishment that discharge solid, liquid, or gaseous waste to the environment or whose activities, products, or services are actual and or potential sources of land, water, or air pollution. So, kailangan mag-comply ang mga business owners, mga operator of establishments, mga local chief executive ng local government unit sa Department Administrative Order 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for PCO accreditation. At simple lang, tatlong bagay lang. One is to appoint, designate a pollution control officer as described in Section 7 of this department order. And then in Section 6, kailangan umattend ng basic PCO training ang in-appoint na PCO. And then in Section 8 of this department order, mag-secure ng accreditation sa EMB Regional Office. But at this time, nagsasubmit tayo ng application online at gumagamit tayo ng account dito sa pco.emb.gov.ph para makapag-submit ng ating application. So yun lamang. I hope may natutunan kayo regarding sa requirements ng PCO accreditation application, kung saan mag-a-apply ng accreditation at kung bakit kailangan nating mag-apply ng PCO accreditations. Thank you very much and God bless us all.